Start madam. Just close your eyes. Keep your back straight. Normalize your breath. Align any meditative mudra, chin mudra or jnana mudra, or any mudra of your choice. Just observe the breath. Observe the breath. Normalize your breath. Feel the relax. Feel the relax. Relax. Vishranti. 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 Smile in your face. Smile. Feel happy right now. Happiness. No reasons. Just feel happy. Happily you can practice meditation. First technique. Pray for others other than blood relative. It may be a soldiers, it may be a farmer, drainage cleaners, driver, traffic police, teachers, your yoga teacher, your neighbor, anyone of your choice, choose and pray for them. Even your Prime Minister of India or Chief Minister of Karnataka or your state or any persons can pick. Just pray for them 1 minute. Make an habit every day how to do this one. Just 1 minute you can pray for others. Pray for others is a spiritual energy or positive energy. 1 minute you are not thinking about you. Just feel the relax and pray for any person. 1 minute time to you. Come on, start. Their health, he or she are there. Their health, happiness, enjoyment, prosperity. You can pray. Feel the relax. Don't forget, smile in your face and feeling happiness while practicing yoga, meditation, pranayama, or any work of your choice in a day. It may be a reading, maybe a cooking. You smile, feeling happiness. You can practice or you can do the work. Relax, relax. Next, pray for yourself. This is also very important. Every day you have to practice. Pray for yourself. What do you want? You never think what you don't want. For example, you want to weight loss. Just pray for the slimness, ideal weight. You never think about your weight, obese. What do you want? Just pray for that one. Simple. Every day you have to practice with smile in your face and feeling happy. Happily you can pray for yourself. Enjoy the practice. Enjoy Pray for your health, happiness, enjoyment, and prosperous. Relax, relax, relax. Vishranti, Vishranti, Vishranti. Next, psychic shielding practice. Feel the smile in your face. Feel happy right now. For feeling happiness, no reason. Without reason, feel happy. Above your head, one shield, one layer. You can imagine or visualize it. Above your head, a white color ray from highest source is moving towards you and spreading entire hall where you are meditating or area. A place it covers completely. Is a divine ray, a healing ray. That psychic shield, no? The layer, it covers, it protects you from unwanted negative energy, not allowed, what you don't want. It may be negative people, toxic peoples, unwanted, whatever it may be, the unwanted to you. It never allowed towards you, towards your magnetic field. You have to visualize this one. Now, the shielding. Now, the shield covers complete all the family members, entire your home, your house, your building, it covers. Visualize it. Now, it covers all your assets. Your organization, you are working, your business, your land, farmhouse, or whatever it belongs to you, it covers. The shield spreading entire your town, your country, entire world. Visualize it. All the planets, stars, galaxy, whole covers. How much is possible, that much you can visualize in this universe. It covers each and everything. No negative energy, negative, what you don't want, never enters in your magnetic field. Visualize it. You are protected. All your assets, what it belongs to you, it protects. And don't forget, smile in your face. Feel happy. Happily you have to practice. Whatever work you can do in a day, you smile and happily you can practice. Feel complete and total relaxation. Relax, relax, relax. Vishranti, Vishranti. Next one, circle of confidence. Every day morning, you have to practice once. Don't have time while getting prepared for the office. Just practice for 1 minute every day. Not possible morning, anytime in a day you can practice. Circle of confidence. Imagine or visualize one circle around you, very bright circle, full of confidence. So many things you achieved these many years. Your first rank, you scored well in your school days. Your first salary, some investment, some savings, some business profit, whatever all the achievements you can recall your achievements. You are full of confidence. Yes, it's possible for you. Anything is achieved, anything you want to achieve is possible for you. See how many persons achieved. For them, for that person is possible means is possible for you also. For me is possible for you also. Just get energy, increase your self-confidence every day. Recall your many success stories. Yes, it's possible. Never give up. No. Can learn, can practice, can consult anyone, get knowledge and achieve. It's possible for you. At the end of the meditation, whenever doing pranayama meditation or any healing secrets, You are in a relaxation state. End no. Just bless your children. Their health, happiness, enjoyment, and prosperous. Their studies. Wholeheartedly you can bless. Make an habit. Every day you can do this one. Feel smile and feel the happy. Then send wishes to your parent, their health, happiness, good health, secured life. Just send wishes to your parents either in the beginning or end. Take blessing from your parents, every meditation or pranayama, either in the beginning or end. Take from blessings from your parents, whether they are alive or not. Feel complete and total relaxation. If you have children, bless your children. Don't have children, you're not married, send wishes to your parents. Take 1 minute time and come out of the meditation slowly. See, 1 minute time is due to slowly with palming. You have to open the eyes.